This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got 3 self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
Now all I'm going to have you guys do is real simple. We're going to do a 1-2 punch. He's going to come with a 1-2, go 1-2. When I do this 2, I'm going to throw the right, but instead of throwing right, I'm going to shin to shin or shin to knee. So real simple. Now we're going to call it. We're going to boom, boom, bang right here. Okay, let it go. Boom, boom. Or you can take out the back leg. Doesn't matter. Either leg. Let it go. Boom. All right. So let's go down here and just do a real light kick on one of those legs. It doesn't even have to be a real proficient kick. Okay. Slide it back up in here. Good. All right. All right. Okay, go the other way. Try to shoot straight up in here or straight in here. Straight into the shins. Remember, you're working this way. Use your back leg to kick with Remo. What we're doing, we're going to punch 1-2, and we're coming across this way. Okay, bend this knee and slide that way, just like you were with your hands. 1-2, kick. Good. Let's try it again. All right, good job. Let's try it one more time. Okay, let's take a break. That's it, guys. Y'all looking real good today.
Hey, Jimbo here with your next tip. This one's a good one. It's about lethal combat. If your life or the life of anyone you care about is threatened, using lethal force against the threatening opponent is justified. Problem is, what happens if you don't happen to have a gun or a knife on you? What happens if this dude is like twice your size? Well, that's what this tip is all about. How to use nothing but your bare hands as lethal weapons, even against larger, stronger men. This is very good stuff. I hired some U.S. Special Forces combat experts, guys who've used these moves in actual life and death fighting to show you barehanded lethal fight moves that can end a fight in seconds. But here's the thing. These moves are very ugly and very brutal. I am not allowed to post them here on this platform. If I did, it would get my channel shut down very quickly. However, if you don't mind a little deadly gore, you can see them all for free simply by going to the link in the description. These moves are definitely worth a minute of your time. And when crunch time hits and your life is on the line, you'll be damn glad that you learned these simple deadly moves. So get there now. Okay, on to our next tip.
Sometimes you'll need to restrain your attacker by initiating contact yourself. Let me show you what I mean by initiating contact. In this case, we're going to initiate contact by grabbing the wrist. We're going to pull it out slightly from the body. We're going to bring our arm up and the crook of his arm, bringing his elbow higher than his shoulder. At this point, you're going to drop your hand into the back of his shoulder, pulling his hand to his back. You want to grab his thumb and pull him back upright. You'll be holding him with your arm between his back and his arm. You'll be holding at the thumb. Once you've got him upright, reach around at his throat. If he tries to stand up to you, simply place a knee in the back of his leg, pulling him off balance.
Guys, hey, I don't have any. Hey, come on! Don't get up, motherfucker. I'm gonna fucking rip his face out. You understand me? Get the hell out of here. Come on. All right. As you see now, what happened was full speed scenario. 2 guys approaching me in a parking lot, corner me in a situation like this. I'm trying to talk myself out of it. I don't have a choice. I walked toward the biggest guy. I made a choice. I made my state of mind going for the big guy. He swings at me. I go under. I finish him, deal with the other guy, and I try to talk myself out of it, stay safe, and I get out of there. What I do is, I'll break it down for you. As they come in, this gentleman is swinging at me. I duck him and I hit him right at the groin. So let's turn him around a little bit. As he swings, I come in with an uppercut right to the groin. My eyes are still on the other guy as he approaches, so I get rid of him fast. He comes in, I shed, I rack his face around, I close his vision again, I close his eyes, he loses contact. But now look what happened in here. As you see, Joe, what happened in here, I got myself a nice shield in here. So if his body decides to come up, pull a knife, do whatever, or even throw another swing, I'm going to talk myself out. Man, don't come near me. I'm going to hurt him. I'm going to wreck his eyes. Maybe he's bleeding by now from the punches. I'm going to pull his ears. I'm gonna make him scream a little bit. Scream, Joe. Ah, thank you. I'm gonna scream. I'm not going for big chokes on you because once I put this guy down, this guy comes up, he starts attacking again, and here goes my face again and again. So let's talk about it from a different angle. What happens in here is, as he comes in, I just basically put my hand out, shade it, but I also bring my body down to watch the other hand and go to the other side of his body. It's hard for him to reach with his hand. And I unload fast the elbow. As he comes in and here again, I shed, I hit him, I rack his nose up. I can work a lot of things, but what I want to do is I want to make the distance between me and my other friend. So I walk him away and use him as a shield. Stay away. I talk him into it. I'm going to rip him. I'm going to start doing nasty things to the guy where he thinks I'm crazy enough and he will let go. In the end, I have a choice. I dump him. I clear. I put my beanie back in the head and I smile to camera. Let's move on to another technique.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.